Hey everybody, it's me, English teacher Matthew, and today I'm going to teach you about the passive voice. Because the passive voice can be quite a difficult subject to understand, I'm going to break today's video into smaller pieces so you'll be able to understand it much better than before. Hopefully, by the end of today's video, you will be an expert at the passive voice. So let's get into today's video. So to begin with, we're going to talk about the difference between the active voice and the passive voice. The active voice is what we generally use when we speak. That is subject, verb, object. He stole a bag. We use the active voice because we're more concerned about what the subject does. He stole the bag, so we are concerned about what he did. He is the focus of the sentence here. However, in the passive voice, it's a little bit different. When we use the passive voice, we are more concerned about what happens to the subject. So with the sentence example that I gave you before, we need to change it a little bit. We need to say, the bag was stolen. The bag was stolen. Notice here how the verb is different. We use the verb be plus past participle. The past participle is the third form of the verb. So for example, do, did, done. See, saw, seen. Go, went, gone. We use a be plus the third form of the verb. So the sentence would be, the bag was stolen. But in the sentence before, we said he stole the bag. But now, in the passive voice, we say the bag was stolen. So where does he go? The reason why he is not in the sentence is because when we use the passive voice, we don't know who did the action, or maybe we don't even care. The bag was stolen. I don't care who stole it. The bag was stolen. Or maybe I don't know who did it because I don't know them or I didn't see them. But this is a one instance when we might use passive voice. However, if we do want to say who did it, what we need to do is we just need to add by, by, on the end of the sentence and then add who did it. So for example, the bag was stolen by him. The bag was stolen by him. And this would be our sentence here. And like I said at the beginning of the video, we use a be plus past participle when we are using the passive voice. The be tells us the tense. So for example, if I want to use the present tense, I would use is done or be done or are done, for example. If I want to use the past tense, then I would use was done or were done. You can also use the other tenses with passive voice. For example, when you want to use present perfect, you can say have been done. But today I just want to give you a short introduction to it, so we won't go too much in depth. Maybe this will be in a later video at another time. So before we go today, I just want to ask you one question. Have you ever had anything stolen? Have you ever had anything stolen? Write your answer in the comments below and use passive voice in your answer. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you learned something new. If you did enjoy today's video, then please like, and if you are new, press subscribe. And if you want to know why your English isn't improving, click here. Thank you so much, and until next time, keep practicing.